Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make an animation in Canva. So Canva has quite a few like animation tools and effects you can use to make your design sort of jump off the page a little bit more, whether you're creating a social media post, marketing materials, or something else. So I'm going to show you a few different things you can do to animate your designs today. So open up your design, then we're going to click onto your image. At the top, you'll see a little toolbar pop up and you have the animate option, which I'm going to click on. So from there, you can hover over the general animations, and as you can see, the image starts to move a little bit. So you've got wipe, blur, pop, succession, breathe, baseline, and lots more. So you can hover over them just to see which one you like. If you find one you like, you can click on it. Then you can also decide whether you want the animation just on enter or exit or on both. You can also add-on effects. So you'll have the first effect, then you can add on effect that carries on. And if you don't like what you've done, you can click on clear animations. So those are the first options you've got. The other option is to click on animate, then you can create your own animation, which you can have a lot of fun with. So click on create an animation, and it says select and drag an element around the canvas to create your animation. So you have to hold shift while dragging to create different lines. So you can control the speed of your animation by moving the element faster or slower, and stop dragging the element to complete your animation. So let me have a go. So I'm going to hold down shift, click on my animation, then I'm going to make it fly around the page. So let's see. There we go. I've added a little animation to my bee. If you're happy with that, you can click on done. If not, you can delete the path and try again. So that's it. That's how to add animation to your images in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.